Welcome back to our Guidewire Policy Center series. In the previous videos, we explored the Policy Center interface and learned how to navigate through the application. Today, we're moving one step deeper. We're going to understand the heart of Policy Center, policy transactions. Imagine this. It's your first day at an insurance company. Your team lead comes to you and says, "Today, we'll process a new customer's policy. By the way, tomorrow, we might have to modify it. Next month, the customer may cancel it. Next year, we'll renew it." At this point, you might be wondering, wait, are all these different processes, or is it the same policy every time? That's exactly what we're going to understand today. Because in Guidewire Policy Center, almost every action you perform revolves around one important concept: policy transactions. Once you understand policy transactions, almost 70% of PolicyCenter becomes much easier to understand. So let's get started. If you've attended a Guidewire interview, you've probably heard terms like submission, renewal, cancellation, policy change, rewrite, audit. At first, these sound like completely different features. But the good news is, they're all policy transactions. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what each one does and, more importantly, when it's used in real life. Let's start with a simple question. What is a policy transaction? Imagine you bought a car today. Tomorrow, you install a music system. A month later, you change your address. Next year, you renew your insurance. After 3 years, you sell the car. Did you buy a new car every time? Of course not. It's still the same car. You're simply performing different actions on it over time. Insurance policies work exactly the same way. A policy isn't created once and forgotten. Throughout its lifetime, many things can happen. A customer may want to change their address, add another vehicle, remove a driver, renew the policy, cancel it, or even rewrite it because of major mistakes. Every one of these business operations is called a policy transaction in Guidewire Policy Center. Think of policy transactions as different chapters in the life story of a policy. Let's start with a transaction called submission. It's nothing but creating a new policy. So everything begins with a submission. Let's imagine a customer walks into your office. He says, "I'd like to insure my new car." As an insurance agent, you'll collect information like the customer's details, vehicle information, drivers, and coverages. Based on that information, PolicyCenter calculates one or more quotes. If the risk is acceptable and the customer agrees with the premium, the policy is bound and then issued. One important point to remember: submission is the only policy transaction that creates a brand new policy. We will learn more about these transactions in depth in the upcoming sessions. Every other transaction works on an existing policy. That's a common interview question, so keep it in mind. Now, let's discuss about the transaction issuance. Now, here's a practical situation. Suppose your customer owns a transport company. He urgently needs insurance today because his vehicles need to be on the road. However, he doesn't have all the vehicle information yet. Should you make him wait? Not necessarily. The policy can first be bound, meaning the customer is legally covered. Later, when the remaining information is available, you update the policy, recalculate the quote if required, and officially issue the policy documents. That's where issuance comes into the picture. And another interesting transaction is renewal. It's like continuing coverage. Now let's move 1 year ahead. The policy is about to expire. The customer still wants insurance. Instead of creating a brand new policy from scratch, the insurance company simply extends the policy for another term. That's called a renewal. Sometimes this happens automatically. Sometimes an underwriter reviews the policy before approving the renewal. We will explain about all these transactions in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to see more content on this. All right, now let's look at the other transcations called cancellation and reinstatement. Now let's look at the opposite situation. Suppose the customer doesn't pay the premium. The insurance company may decide to cancel the policy after giving the required notice. Or maybe the customer himself decides he no longer needs insurance and requests cancellation. Both situations result in a cancellation. But what if the cancellation happened by mistake? Or the customer paid the pending amount before the cancellation became final? Instead of creating a brand new policy, the insurer can restore the canceled policy. That process is called reinstatement. Think of it as pressing the undo button for a canceled policy. And another important transaction is policy change. This is probably the most common transaction you'll see in real projects. Let's say the customer buys another car, or changes their address, or adds a new driver to the policy. The policy itself doesn't change. Only some information inside the policy changes. This is called a policy change. In fact, many real-world Guidewire projects spend a significant amount of time handling policy changes because customers frequently update their information. Let's talk about the last important transcation, that is rewrite. Now imagine something different. The insurance company issued a policy. Later, they discover several major mistakes: wrong payroll, wrong jurisdiction, incorrect locations, multiple critical errors. Technically, these mistakes could be corrected through several policy changes. But imagine receiving 10 correction letters for one policy. That would be confusing. Instead, the insurer decides to end the old policy and create a fresh replacement. That's called a rewrite. Sometimes the rewritten policy is even moved to a completely new customer account. Guidewire supports that through Rewrite New Account. So that's all about transactions in a high level, and we'll learn more about these in the later sessions. Let's quickly summarize everything. A submission creates a new policy. Issuance finalizes that policy after it has been bound. Renewal extends the policy for another term. Policy change updates an existing policy. Cancellation ends coverage. Reinstatement restores a canceled policy. And finally, rewrite replaces a policy when major corrections are required. Once you understand these transactions, you'll find it much easier to understand the rest of Guidewire PolicyCenter. In the next video, we'll take these concepts one step further by following the complete life cycle of a policy, from the moment a customer requests insurance to the point where the policy is issued and managed over time. If this video helped you understand policy transactions more clearly, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone starting their Guidewire journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.